Now let's solve a solution to exercise 6. The question says we are given the column vectors r1 and r2. We should convert the vector component in terms of unit vector and evaluate the corresponding magnitude. Now let's begin with r1. r1 is equals to 3 minus 2, 6. Now to convert them in terms of unit vector, we can simply say it is 3i, okay, plus minus 2j plus 6k, which is equals to 3i minus 2j plus 6k. And however, to establish more understanding, r1 being 3 minus 2, 6 can be written as 3 in terms of the column vector of I, 1, 0, 0, minus 2 in terms of the column vector of j, 0, 1, 0, and plus 6 in terms of the column vector of j of k, rather, 0, 0, 1. So we are saying that I is equals to 1, 0, 0, j is equals to 0, 1, 0, and k is equals to 0, 0, 1. So with respect to that, we can evaluate this to give us 3i minus 2j plus 6k. That is r1, just as we have here. Now we want to evaluate the component, the magnitude of r1. And we know that when we have r is equals to xi plus yj plus zk, the magnitude of r is equals to the square root of the sum of the individual squares. That's x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So this will result into the individual squares of 3 minus 2 and 6. That's 3 squared plus minus 2 squared plus 6 squared. And this will result into, we have 9 plus 4 plus 36, and this will be 49 units. Root 49 can be simplified to give us 7 units. So the magnitude of r1 is equal to 7 units, which I'm sure you got. Now let's evaluate for r2. r2 is 3 minus 5 minus 3. r2 is equals to 3 minus 5 minus 3. So as usual, we can just simplify this to give us 3i minus 5j minus 3k, or we go through it and simplify it for understanding's sake and say 3 minus 5 minus 3 is equals to 3 into 1, 0, 0 plus or minus 5, okay, into 0, 1, 0, and we have minus 3 into 0, 0, 1, with the understanding that I in 3D is equals to 1, 0, 0, j in 3D is 0, 1, 0, and k in 3D is 0, 0, 1. So with that done, we can say this is simply 3i minus 5j minus 3k, just as we have here. Now it's time to evaluate the magnitude of r2. We know the magnitude is the square root of the sum of the individual squares. So this we have 3 minus 5 and minus 3. That's 3 squared plus minus 5 squared plus minus 3 squared. And this will result into 9 plus 25 plus 9. And this is root 43 units. And root 43 units can be simplified to give 6.557 units. This is the modulus of or magnitude of the vector.